Right here, hidden in the trees, is a quiet island of land that is home to Monaincha Abbey, and this is one of Ireland's oldest and most sacred sites. Now this area here was a place of worship long before the stone walls were built around it. So tradition places its origin in the 6th century, when this area was a center of early Irish religious life. So in the 12th century, the site took priority and was rebuilt. This way it linked ancient tradition with medieval reform. And for centuries, this stood apart not as a fortress, but as a place of learning, pilgrimage, and spiritual retreat. Its religious life ended in the 1540s during the dissolution of the monasteries under King Henry VIII. The monks were dispersed and the land seized, and the abbey's sacred purpose stripped away by law rather than war. By the time of the Cromwellian Wars in the mid-17th century, Monaincha was already abandoned, and there's really no record of a siege or massacre here. But in the 1650s, as Parliamentarian forces seized control of this area, abandoned religious sites like this lost all remaining protection. The stone was taken, buildings were used, and neglect became permanent. Monaincha was not destroyed by Cromwell, but it was left defenseless in the campaign that he created. And what remains today is not the ruin of violence, but the ruin of abandonment. And this is where faith ended, first by decree, and then finally by time.